Home renovation services, starting a remodeling side hustle. Welcome back to Side Income Secrets, the channel where we explore creative ways to boost your income and achieve financial freedom. If you're looking for a rewarding side hustle, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of home renovation services and how you can start your very own remodeling side hustle. Home renovation is not just a booming industry. It's also a fulfilling way to channel your creativity and skills while earning extra cash. Whether you're a seasoned handyman or just someone with a passion for DIY projects, there are countless opportunities in this field. Let's explore how you can get started. First, let's talk about the skills you might need. While you don't need to be a professional contractor, having a good grasp of basic skills can go a long way. Think about tasks like painting, tiling, or even assembling furniture. If you're not already familiar with these tasks, consider taking online courses or watching tutorial videos to build your confidence. Next, you'll want to identify your niche. Home renovation is a broad field, so think about what you enjoy doing the most. Are you great at kitchen makeovers? Maybe you excel in bathroom renovations or outdoor landscaping. By focusing on a specific area, you can market your services more effectively and attract the right clients. Now let's discuss how to get the word out. Start by creating a simple website or social media profiles showcasing your work. Before and after photos can be particularly compelling. You can also join local community groups online where people often seek recommendations for home improvement services. Word of mouth is powerful, so don't hesitate to let friends and family know about your new venture. As you begin to take on projects, ensure that you communicate clearly with your clients. Set realistic timelines and be transparent about your pricing. This not only builds trust, but also helps you establish a good reputation in your community. Happy clients are likely to refer you to others, which can lead to more work. Pricing your services can be tricky. Research what others in your area are charging for similar services. You want to ensure that your prices are competitive, but also reflective of the quality you provide. Start small to build your portfolio and raise your rates as you gain more experience and positive reviews. Don't forget about the importance of proper tools and equipment. Investing in quality tools can make your job easier and improve the quality of your work. You don't need to buy everything at once. Start with the essentials and gradually expand your toolkit as your side hustle grows. As you build your business, consider the legal aspects. Depending on where you live, you may need permits or licenses for certain types of work. Always check your local regulations to ensure you're compliant. This not only protects you, but also reassures your clients that you are a professional. Lastly, stay organized. Keep track of your projects, expenses, and income. This will not only help you manage your side hustle more effectively, but also give you valuable insights into what's working and what isn't. Starting a remodeling side hustle can be incredibly rewarding, both financially and personally. You get to express your creativity, solve problems, and make a positive impact on your clients' lives by transforming their spaces. Thank you for watching this video on home renovation services and how to kickstart your remodeling side hustle. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Side Income Secrets for more tips on building your income. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy renovating.